Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi on your Ring doorbell or Ring camera devices step by step. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Ring application on your phone or on your tablet. Now here when you are inside on the main dashboard, you just have to tap on the option of a Ring doorbell. Afterwards, you just have to go to the option of device health. Now over here, you need to find the option to change the or reconnect the Wi-Fi. So here in the device health option, you will see the option of change network. So you need to simply tap on it. Now, depending on your ring model and the app version, it can be with the name reconnect to Wi-Fi. So the device will temporarily go offline while entering the setup mode. Now you just have to simply press the setup button on the Ring device. On many Ring doorbells, the setup button is orange on the back or under the faceplate. So for Ring cameras, the setup button location varies by the model. So once it is pressed successfully, the LED light should begin spinning and flashing, which means that the device is ready to connect. Now the Ring application will guide you through connecting to the new network. So you need to simply select the new Wi-Fi name and then enter the password carefully. After that, wait for the device to reconnect. Once the setup finishes, the Ring device should come back online automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.